Okay, fellas, that's what we got there. We have the lawnmower. It's a Ryobi OHV 140cc. Alright. Okay. Now you've got your pull cord, your starter cord. Give that a wank if the engine cranks over. Over here, that's where the fuel goes in. That's the fuel, goes in there. You take that off. And as you can see, fuel. Fuel goes in there with a... Fill it up. Starter cord, get it started. Down here we've got a level adjuster for the height of the lawnmower with the grass. And here, that's where oil goes in. Okay, so you push her along the grass, and let me get her up. See there? That's straight. There's the blade, which cuts the grass. It splits the grass out of this back section. It just leaves on the ground, and usually there's a catcher which can fit on there. There's a catcher which can fit on there. All the grass just stays on the ground. So that's the Ryobi OHV 140cc lawnmower.